we're going to be cleaning up these raspberries here, so we're going to get it prepared to expand and get all this grass out of here. Now, a lot of time's been put in with this bark and weed removing in the past, but it's always comes down to doing it every year, so we're going to do it right now. And while we're at it, see, we're moving along really fast, so we're going to hydrate the raspberries. Okay, so this one didn't take very well. So we're going to just soften up the ground, so we're going to be able to take another one and put that in the spot by the time, and it's going to take well because it's just filled with water now. That's how fast it goes, especially in bark. It looks like you put new bark down and you weeded the whole area, and all you really got to do is just point at the ground. Sometimes you make a circle around it, but these are rudder canes, so they spread through that, so you might cut all the canes. So it's better just to focus on one spot and water it if you choose to water it. Because if you go around it, that's all, just like strawberries, they have the runners, that's how they produce new. So anyway, I'm glad you watched the video.